In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore or reset Ribbon Toolbar in Outlook if your toolbar looks cluttered, missing buttons, or just different from what you expect. A quick reset will take it back to the default layout. I'll guide you through the process in the web version of Outlook, and along the way I'll share a few tips so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type Outlook and press Enter. In the results, click the official Outlook site from Microsoft to open your mailbox in the browser. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and sign in as you normally would. Once your inbox is visible, we're ready to reset the toolbar. Look toward the top of the page, where the ribbon or command bar lives. At the far right edge of that bar, you'll see 3 dots, which represent More options. Click those 3 dots. This expands a menu that includes tools for changing how your toolbar looks. From this menu, choose Customize. That opens the customization panel where Outlook tracks all the changes you've made to the toolbar. In the customization panel, glance to the lower left corner and select Reset All Changes. This tells Outlook to discard your tweaks and restore the default set of tabs and buttons. If a confirmation appears, confirm that you want to reset. Then, click Save to apply the change. Outlook will update, and your ribbon should immediately return to its original layout, with the standard buttons back in their usual places. If the toolbar doesn't look updated right away, refresh the page or briefly navigate to another folder, then come back to your inbox. Also, if you can't find the 3 dots, try maximizing your browser window or zooming out slightly so the control becomes visible. Remember, this walkthrough applies to Outlook on the web. The desktop app has different menus. That's all there is to it. To recap, open Outlook in your browser, click the 3 dots on the toolbar, select Customize, choose Reset All Changes, and then Save. Your toolbar is restored to the default view. After resetting, you can continue using Outlook as normal. If you decide to personalize it again later, use the same Customize menu to show or hide commands without worrying. Now you know how to return to the default anytime.